There's been a ruckus over a bhajan at the Atal Jayanti event, 25th December, which is also observed as the Atal Jayanti or Good Governance Day on Atal Bihari Vajpayee's birth anniversary as former Prime Minister. There was commotion after the singer started to chant a Gandhiji bhajan. The crowd was shouting Ishwar Allah Tero Naam, and organizer asked the singer to apologize. A former union minister removed the singer from the stage. Ashwini Chaubey then started with the chanting of Jai Shri Ram. Let's listen in to understand what happened.
Raghupati Raghav Raja Ram Patita Pavan Sita Ram Ishwar Allah Tero Naam सबको सन्मति दे भगवान ईश्वर अल्लाह तेरो नाम सबको सन्मति दे भगवान ईश्वर अल्लाह तेरो नाम सबको सन्मति दे।
आप हटिए ना, आप यहाँ से हटिए ना, आप हटिए। अरे साहब तो
बोलो बोलो भारत माता की।
एक
आप हटिए ना, आप यहाँ से हटिए ना, आप हटिए। अरे साहब तो
बोलो बोलो भारत।
लोग हैं जो हम सभी को अपने भीतर उसको समाहित करते हैं, और इस गाने से आपको कोई भी, मुझे लगता है कि हर्ट होने की जरूरत नहीं है। अगर आप हर्ट हुए हैं उसके लिए मैं सॉरी कहना चाहती हूँ, लेकिन मैं बता देना चाहती हूँ कि हमारा जो हिंदू धर्म है उसमें कहा गया है कि सभी जो हैं वो हमारे परिवार हैं, सभी धर्म के लोग परिवार हैं। ऐसा कहा गया है, वसुदेव कुटुंबकम की बात की गई है।
So this was Atal Jayanti celebrations in Patna. Looks like was organized by the Bharatiya Janata Party. For some reason this line caught the ire of the crowd, because I heard the crowd also, the audience started to shout. Rohit Singh is joining me for the latest. Rohit, what happened? What led to the objection? And then eventually Ashwini Chaubey had to come in and intervene.
Pooja, first of all, let me clarify that this was not a BJP event.
Okay.
It was an event which was organized by former Union Minister Ashwini Chaubey, who runs an organization which is named Atal Vichar Parishad. And under this banner, this event was organized on the occasion of Vajpayee's birth anniversary yesterday. And in this event, a local folk singer, Devi, was also invited, and she was also asked to come on the stage and sing some songs, devotional songs. And when she started singing the bhajan of Bapu, Raghupati Raghav Raja Ram, that it was okay till then. But when she started singing that portion where it says that Ishwar Allah Tero Naam, that is when the lot of audience who were present there, they started creating a ruckus. They started protesting against this portion of the bhajan, and they all came on the stage. And later Ashwini Chaubey also joined the protesters, and he is also seen in these visuals chanting Jai Shri Ram slogans, and literally they are pushing Devi aside, and the singer also had to apologize for singing this portion of the song. So situation really took an ugly turn when this entire event was taking place at the Bapu Sabhagar in Patna, on why this singer was singing this bhajan of Mahatma Gandhi, related to Mahatma Gandhi, Raghupati Raghav Raja Ram. Pooja.
And specifically looks like one line possibly has caught the ire. We'll try and get more details on that. But perhaps a question also, are tempers, sensitivities turning too fragile even at an event of this nature? Rohit, thank you very much for getting us this video in details, and I'll leave it to the viewer to decide what do they think really happened on the ground.